let me come to the first problem of today's class. First problem of today's class is, what is the unit digit of the sum of first 111 whole numbers? I am repeating the question once again for you people. What is the unit digit of the sum of first 111 whole numbers? First of all, what are whole numbers? Whole numbers will always start from 0. That means 0 is the first whole number, 1 is the second whole number, 2 is the third whole number, 3 is the fourth whole number. Like that it keeps continuing, and they are asking you to find the first 111 whole numbers. That means 111th whole number is 110, because the number is starting from 0. The 111th whole number is nothing but 110. Now can I say that your question says you need to find the sum of all these 111 whole numbers. Sum of all these first 111 whole numbers, you need to find the sum of it, and after finding the sum, you need to find the unit digit of it. Every student who is listening to this class, it is very very clearly said so many times in my previous classes. You might be the top of this problem, but please stop commenting the answers. I don't require your answers. If you are coming here only for the answers, please quit the class. If you are here for the concept, please listen for my class. If I find any student keep on repeatedly posting the answers in the next few minutes, you will be blocked, sir. Without any hesitation, you will be blocked, and you will not be allowed for any further viewing of our classes. Starting itself, I am telling it very clear. Now I need to find the sum of all these first 111 whole numbers. Can I say that first whole number is 0, but 0 if I add with any number, that number is nothing but the same number what it is added to. That means 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 100 is 100, 0 plus 99 is 99. That means instead of adding 0 to any particular number, it is nothing but equivalent to saying it as not adding anything. That means if I ignore this 0, then the numbers will start with 1. Numbers will start with 1 and it will end at 110. That means any number starting with 1 is nothing but equal to natural number, right? Any number starting with 1 are termed as natural number, and it is ending with 110. That means I can say that instead of saying that I need to find the sum of first 111 whole numbers, I can also say that I need to find the sum of first 110 natural numbers. Both are absolutely same. Sum of first 111 whole numbers is nothing but equal to sum of first 110 natural numbers, and we already know how to find the sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers is given by the notation summation n is nothing but n into n plus 1 divided by 2, where n in this question is, it is starting from 1, it is ending at 110. Totally 110 terms are available. So n is 110 into n plus 1 is 110 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 into 1, 2 into 55. But I need to right now multiply 55 into 111. But think little logically. Do you really need to multiply 55 into 111? No, you need not multiply, because the question is asking only for the unit digit. Unit digit is what the question is asking for. Only concentrate on the unit digit. That means unit digit of 55 is 5 into unit digit of 111 is 1. So answer unit digit should be 5 into 1, which is 5. That means answer for this easy question. Every question, please remember, sir, by the time I complete my 100th question in SSC previous year question paper, I will make sure that every difficult question will look easy and every easy question will look even more easiest for you people. This is my challenge before I start the class, right? So answer for this easy question. This is a very very easy question. Answer for this easy question is how much? It is 5. Now this question, whatever I solved right now, whatever the method I applied, you can call this method as method 1, right? You can call this method as method 1. Sir, why method 1? Because some people might know that summation n is n into n plus 1 by 2. Some people might not know that summation n is n into n plus 1 by 2. People who know this, they will directly apply and get the answer. People who do not know this might not use this particular method. So I will teach you multiple methods. My role as a teacher is to teach you multiple methods. Your role as a student is to pick up the method which you are comfortable with. I hope method 1, direct method, is very clear for you people. Now method 2. Everyone listen carefully, sir. Method 2. Now, before solving method 2, I already told you that average by definition is sum of the quantities divided by number of quantities, and average also I told you that it is first term plus last term by 2. Now, I need to find the sum of first 111 whole numbers, or in other words, I need to find the sum of first 110 natural numbers. Both are same. Now, instead of finding the sum, I will use the technique of average. Let us check whether we will get the same answer. Instead of finding the sum, let me find the average. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. till 110. It is in arithmetic progression because the common difference between the consecutive terms is 1, which is the same. Can I say that it is in arithmetic progression? Yes. Now, because this is in arithmetic progression, average in arithmetic progression is first term plus last term divided by 2. That means average is nothing but 1 plus 110 divided by 2. That means average is 111 divided by 2. But I can also say that average by definition is sum of the quantities, sum of first 110 natural numbers divided by number of quantities. Totally there are 110 terms. That means I can simplify as 2 into 1, 2 into 55. So sum of first 110 natural numbers is nothing but equal to 111 into 55. This is exactly what you got in the previous method also. 111 into 55. 5 into 1 is 5. Unit digit is what they are asking. Answers unit digit should be 5. Sir, I don't know summation n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Don't need to know. You don't need to know summation n as n into n plus 1 by 2. If you know the basic definition of average, I am not asking you to by heart any complicated definition. Basic definition of average is sum of the quantities divided by number of quantities. From there you can easily derive sum of first 110 natural numbers, and thereby you can get the value for unit digit of that value. I hope the idea is very clear, sir. Either use method 1 or use method 2. It really does not make any difference. But I want to teach you another method. You decide which is the best method for you. This is the beauty of ANC. Any other YouTube channel probably will teach you one method and say that please follow that method. Any textbook might give you one method and follow that method. But we will, wherever there is a possibility, we will give you multiple methods. Why? It is your responsibility to pick up the method which you are comfortable. The one which I am comfortable, you might not be. The one which you are comfortable, I might not be. So let us not debate about which is easy or which is difficult. Let us give a flexibility for students itself to decide which is the best method for you people. Now listen carefully. What is the question? Forget about the given question. Forget about the given number in the question. Okay, let me write the number. I need to find the unit digit of sum of first 111 whole numbers. For sum of first 111 whole numbers, let me write it. I need to find the unit digit of sum of first 111 whole numbers, right? Sum of first 111 whole numbers. Now everyone observe carefully here. First thing is, first very important observation is this number is ending with 1. Right, 111 is ending with 1, right? 111 is ending with 1. That means I will take any number ending with 1. Now, before that number, before this unit digit 1, there are two digits called as 11. 11 is an odd number, right? 11 is an odd number. Forget about 11 being an odd or even. First of all, my number is ending with 1. That is the intention. So here also I wrote the number ending with 1. Before this unit digit 1, let there be any number of digits. I will call all the digits before this 1 as A, right? Let there be 100 digits, 1000 digits, 2 digits, 5 digits. It really does not make any difference, sir. I will call all the digits as A, but this A should be a positive integer, right? That is the important point. This A should be a positive integer. Now, can I say that in this given question, this A value is 11 in this given question? That means 11 is nothing but an odd number. If 11 is an odd number, if A value is an odd number, I got the unit digit as how much? I got the unit digit as 5. If A value is odd number, I got the unit digit as 5. Similarly, if A value is even number, I will definitely get the unit digit as how much? 0. You can take any number and cross check yourself. If I take, instead of 111, if I take 121, so then this becomes 0. You can check it out. Unit digit becomes 0. That means very important point. One small example, let me give it for you people. Suppose if I say sum of first 1021 whole numbers, sum of first 1021 whole numbers, unit digit I require. I need the unit digit of sum of first 1021 whole numbers. First of all, forget about this one. This is 102. 102 is an even number. That means A value is an even number. If A value is an even number, unit digit is 0. You don't need to apply method 1. You don't even have to apply method 2. With knowing this concept in method 3, you can tell the answer for this question within 1 or 2 seconds, which will save a lot of time in your examination. Or anyway, it is your responsibility, sir. You want to go by method 2? Please move with method 2 by averages concept. No, you know the formula for summation n is equal to n plus 1, n into n plus 1 by 2. You want to move my method 1. Please move ahead with method 1 itself. But if you know this concept of method 3, it is just 1 second answer and you will not even waste time in solving this question. You can easily move on to your next question without wasting too much of time. Yes, first question itself I took 10 minutes to solve it. I took 10 minutes to solve the first question. I know it, and I also know I taught you 3 methods in solving the first question. This 10 minutes what you learnt in today's class should be converted to 2 to 3 seconds in your examination hall, and that is where your practice level will actually tell you how much you have practiced. I hope every student is very clear with the first question. Second question also I will teach you multiple methods, sir. Let me teach you as many methods as possible, so that at the end of the day, the only person who is very much beneficial are my students. Kindly comment in the live chat if the first question with method 1, method 2 and method 3 is clear. I will go very slow in today's class because by the end of solving the entire paper, I want my students to say, hey, it is very easy. SSC paper which I was thinking as very difficult is very easy, and these people in ANC has made it very easy.